नमो अर्हन्ताणं नमो सिद्धाणं नमो आयर्याणं नमो वज्झायाणं नमो लोये सवसाहुणम्. Let's read the Mangalacharan of our book also, the Nirvan Kand, the first verse of Nirvan Kand. Yeah, it's on your screens. वीतरागबंधो सदा भाव सहित सिरना कहूँ कांड निर्वाण की भाषा सुगम बनाए. Okay. So I think we had to start with we are to start with the verse number 11 or 12 maybe. We can start with the verse number 11. So in this particular session, we are now going to talk about other 8 Tirth Kshetra and some interesting pictures as well. Apart from that, we already know a few things, and I just give you a very small snapshot of whatever we know by far. So we had started this session of Tirth Kshetra in our previous class. This is based on Nirvan Kand, which is written by Bhaiya Bhagwati Das ji. Now, what is a Tirth Kshetra? Kshetra is a place, and Tirth is a place from where someone has attained liberation. So, the place from where the Arihantas became Siddhas is also called as Tirth Kshetra. Both of these names are synonymous, are synonyms of one another. Then we had talked about what is Nirvan Kand. So Nirvan means liberation, and Kand means a canto or a collection where many such places have been talked in a particular length of a verse. So a collection of the places from where such great beings who have received salvation are called as Nirvan Kand. This is called as a Nirvan Kand. Okay, so by far what we have seen is we have seen some of the places. So in the second verse, we had seen Ashtapad, Champapuri, and Girnar. After this, we had seen Pavapuri. Then we saw Tarangaji. Then we saw Girnar. After that, it was Pavagadh. Pavagadh was in which state of India?
Gujarat.
Oh, very good. Okay. Then we have Shatrunjay Giri. Adi, where is Shatrunjay? Adi? Shatrunjay is again in Gujarat. Okay. Then we have seen Gajpantha ji. Darshi, where is Gajpantha in India? In which state?
It's in.
No problem. It is in Maharashtra where I live, so that's okay. Moving on. Yeah, Tungigiri we had seen. After Tungigiri, we saw Sonagiri. Sonagiri is. Let me ask this to somebody who's on a video. Jai Rashi, have you seen the previous class? Did you saw the previous class?
I didn't go there, but I did watch the videos. But
yeah, so can you tell me where is Sonagiri? If you remember. Okay, no problem at all. Please, I don't want to make you vulnerable in any way. Sonagiri is in MP, Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so now we are starting off the class from with Reva Tat, the river Reva and its bank. We are talking about that particular place. Okay, so you all know the drill. I'll speak your name. You have to unmute yourself, and after my recitation, you have to repeat it. Okay. Yes, we'll start with the Janav as he's already in unmute. Okay. रावण के सुत आदि कुमार मुक्ति गए रेवा तट सार
रेवन के सूत आदि कुमार मुक्ति गए रेवा तट सारा.
Very good, very good. It was Janav, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next Adi. कोटि पंच अरु लाख 50 ते वंदो धरि परम हुलास. We are not able to listen to you, Adi. I think your mic is not working properly. Maybe your speaker is.
कोटि पंच अरु लाख 50 ते वंदुम धरि परम हुलास.
Okay, great. I just request all of you to listen to me very, attentively, and then look at the PPT. You will be able to pronounce the correct word whenever it comes. But okay, fine. Thank you. So Ravan ke Sut Adi Kumar. That means Adi Kumar, son of Ravan. So there were thousands of sons that Ravana had, but then they all became monks afterwards. Not all of them, some of them. So Ravan Kesut Adi Kumar. So Adi Kumar is the name of the son, and he's the son of the father Ravana. Mukti Gaye Reva Tatasar. Mukti Gaye Reva Tatasar. Reva Tat is the name of the place, and he had received salvation from that place. Koti Panch Aru Lakh Pachas. So 5 crore and 50 lakhs. 5 crore and 50 lakhs is equal to 55 million. So these many monks have received salvation from Reva Tat, Te Vandu Dhari Param Hulas, with a lot of joy and excitement. I admirably bow to them. So this is what it means by this particular verse. I do not have a picture to tell you what is Reva Tat, and I also could not find out which state it is in India. So I'd like you to please pardon me. Okay. In case if somebody knows, please message it to me on the chat. We'll move on.
Okay.
We'll move on and we'll talk about Siddhavarkut. Siddhavarkut is a very beautiful place. I'll give you a small picture of this place. Maybe you can have a look at it first, and then we'll talk about the verse. Okay? Chalo. I'd request who's that? Darshi to please unmute herself. सिद्धवरकूट पश्चिम दिशा देह जहाँ छूट.
रेवनति सिद्धवरकूट पश्चिम दिशा देह जहाँ छूट.
Very good, very good. Okay, Ashi, unmute yourself. द्वय चक्री दश काम कुमार उठ कोड़ी बंदो भव पार.
द्वय चक्री Dasakama Kumar Uttakori Vandum Bhavapa.
Okay, very good. Just a small information to which will help you to read properly. C is pronounced as ch in this particular way. C is pronounced as ch and K is pronounced as k. So maybe it will be easier for you to identify the words. Okay. Now this verse says that Reva Nadi Siddhavar Koot. So in on the Paschim Disha Deh Jahan Choot. So on the southern part of Reva Nadi, there is a Koot, there is a mountain called Siddhavar Koot. Now on this mountain, Dvaya Chakri Dash Kam Kumar. So two Chakravartis and 10 Kam Kumar have received salvation from this particular place. Okay. So as I had already told you, there are, 169 great people. Adi is having a good time. Okay. There are 169 great people. So from those 169, there are Kamdev, 24 Kamdev. There are 24 Kamdev and there are 12 Chakravartis. So out of those 12 Chakravartis, 2 Chakravarti, and out of those 24 Kamdev, 10 Kamdev received salvation from Siddhavar Koot. I hope it's quite clear to you. The last line says, Ut Kodi Vando Bhav Par. Ut, as Sir had already told us in the previous class, it is 3.5. Ut means 3.5. So Kodi means crore. So 3.5 crore, which is equal to 35 million other monks have received salvation from Siddhashila. Okay, Siddhavar Koot, sorry, from Siddhavar Koot. So I proudly, bow to these para-worldly beings. Okay, so this is Siddhavar Koot. Moving on, I'd request Aaron to please unmute himself. We are now going to talk about Bardwani. Bardwani is a place in MP, Madhya Pradesh. I think I have a picture. Yes, I have a picture of Bardwani. This is not an ancient one. The idol that you are seeing in front of you, this is not an ancient idol. This had been recently constructed, and Panch Kalyana did also happen. So forget. Okay, fine. Bardwani Bardnagar Suchang Dakshin Dishi Giri Chul Utang.
Bardwani Bardnagar Suchang Dakshina Dishi Girikula Antanga.
Very good, very good. Okay. So Bardwani Bardnagar Suchang Dakshin Dishigiri Chul Utang. So there is a place called Bardnagar. Now this place, the southern part of this place has this mountain which is called as Bardwani. Okay. Next line, Javish, please unmute yourself. Indrajit Aru Kumbh Jukarna Te Vandu Bhav Sayar Tarna.
Indrajit Aru Kumbh Jukarna Te Vandu Bhav Sayar Tarna.
Wonderful, wonderful. He's really got something with the music as well. Thank you, Javish. Okay, so Bardwani, Bardnagar Suchang. So Bardnagar is the name of the place. On the southern part of that particular place is Bardwani. Dakshin Dishi is the southern direction, south direction. Giri Chul Utang. Giri Chul means a mountain. Utang means a high mountain. Indrajit Aru Kumbh Jukarna. Indrajit and Kumbhakarna. These are the brothers of Ravana, right? Indrajit and Kumbhakarna are the brothers of Ravana. We had seen Ravan ke Sut Adi Kumar. I hope you remember that. So there we were talking about the sons of Ravana. Right now we are talking about the brothers of Ravana, Indrajit and Kumbhakarna. Te Vandu Bhav Sayar Tarn. So they have crossed the worlds and received salvation. So I, admirably bow in front of them. This is what it means by this particular verse. Okay. So let me just ask one small question to you, so that you will be able to, so that I will be able to grasp that you are getting it properly or not. Okay. Aaron, would you please tell me the meaning of this particular verse, the whole meaning of the verse?
So the whole meaning of the verse is like the brothers of Ravan, which are Indrajit and Kumbhakarna, they achieved salvation at the mountains of Badavani. So they received when
Where
they
is
hit
Badwani?
Badvani is in Madhya Pradesh.
And I mean, I'm talking about geographically, where is it? I mean, which
I don't
direction
know,
it is?
I don't know geography because I live in England. And
No, that's okay. But it is mentioned here, Dakshin Dishi Giri Chul Utang. So Badwani is the name of the place on the southern side of Badwani. Badnagar. The mountain is Badwani. Okay.
okay.
Okay. And what it means by Te Vandu Bhav Sayar Tarn?
It says like in the there it's talking about like over there on the southern part of it.
Badnagar, yes. Acha, okay. I'll tell you the meaning of that particular part again.
Okay.
It means te vandu. Te vandu means I bow to them. Admirably, I bow to them. Bhavasayar tarn. Tarn means who have crossed. It's like, crossing the English Channel with the help of swimming. So tarna means who have swimmed. I don't know what is the past tense for swim.
Swim.
Swim is the past tense. Okay. They have
No,
swim.
swim.
Swam.
Swim.
Okay.
SWAM.
Okay. Thank you. I maybe I can have a good English class from all of you. Okay. Those who have swam Bhavasagar. Bhavasagar, that means this whole world. So they have swam the sagar, this world, and they have received the salvation. So Te Vandu Bhavasayar Tarn. All of these are really very good. All these last lines of all the verses are really very good. Yes, Bijal ma'am?
River Reva is now called River Narmada.
Yes, that's true. But then still I don't know which tat it is, which bank of Narmada it is.
It's near Surat, from Surat going onwards. So the southern bank would be near Surat in Gujarat.
Okay. Siddhavarkut is in Gujarat, that's true. But then our other question was Reva Tat. I was actually confused where this Reva Tat could be. Yes, this one.
Yeah.
So it can be anything ranging from Gujarat to Rajasthan to Maharashtra. It can be any of it. So I actually didn't know that.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
It's okay.
Siddhavarkut is not in Gujarat.
Where is Siddhavarkut? Siddhavarkut is in MP? Siddhavarkut? I think it is in maybe Madhya Pradesh. I'll have to just.
Maybe.
Yes, it's in Madhya Pradesh.
Okay, thank you. And I'm really very sorry. I have a very bad geographical memory. Maybe I have seen all these places, but still I don't remember. I'm really, really very sorry. Okay. So the southern part of Badnagar has Badwani, and that from that particular place, Indrajit and Kumbhakarna had received salvation. Okay. So this is Badwani. You can just have a small look look at it. Moving on. Now we are going to talk about Pavagiri. Okay. So can somebody tell me where is Pavagiri? I hope somebody knows. Okay. We have seen Pavapur, we have seen Pavagad, and this is Pavagiri. Pavapur is in Bihar. Pavapur is in Bihar. Pavagad is in Gujarat. And Pavagiri is in MP, Madhya Pradesh. Okay. So Adi, please unmute yourself and let me just. Okay. सुवर्ण भद्र आदि मुनि चार पावा गिरिवर शिखर मंझार.
सुवर्णम भद्रा अधिक मुनिका कार पवगिरिवार शिखर मंझार.
Thank you, very good, very good. And below that, Javish, please unmute yourself. चेलना नदी तीर के पास मुक्ति गए बंधु नित तास. Javish, unmute yourself. Yeah.
खेलन नदी तीर के पास मुक्ति गए बंधु मनित तास.
Oh, great. He's improvising. Very good. Okay. Chelana Nadi Tir ke paas Mukti gaye Vando Nitatas. So Mukti gaye Vando Nitatas means who have received salvation. Such beings are admirably every day, my idols. And rest of it says Suvarana Bhadra Adi Munichar. So 4 monks. I think this is a small correction in here. Instead of this 4, it should be 3. I'll correct it afterwards. So Suvran Bhadra and other 3 monks. So in all 4 people, they have received salvation from Pavagiri. Pavagiri is, on the banks of Chelana river. Chelana Nadi Tir ke paas, on the banks of the river Chelana, there is Pavagiri. So from that place, Suvaran Bhadra and 3 other monks have received salvation. Okay? Okay. This is Pavagiri. Just have a look at it nicely. It's all painted in sky and blue. Okay.
Wow.
Moving on. Janav, unmute yourself. I think you have already. And we are going to read the first line of this particular verse. Halhodi bad gram anup paschim disha dron giri roop.
Falahri barangam unu pachisima disa drone giri rupara.
Very good.
We can't hear you say MG.
Sorry, I'm sorry. Yeah. Ashi, unmute yourself. The last line. गुरुदत्तादि मुनीश्वर जहाँ मुक्ति गए बंदो नित तहाँ।
गुरुदत्तादि मुनीश्वर जहाँ मुक्ति गाए बंधु नित तहाँ।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। ओके, तो फलहोड़ी बड़ग्राम अनूप पश्चिम दिशा द्रोणगिरी रूप। So Phalhodi is the name of the place. On the southern part of that has Drongiri. Drongiri is a very famous place now. From that place, from that particular mountain, Gurudatta Adi Munishwara. So there's no fixed counting which is given with it. There can be many with this. So Gurudatta Adi Munishwar had received salvation from this place. So this is none other than Dronagiri. So I admirably bow to Gurudatt Adi monks of Phalhodi, southern mountain, Dronagiri. Where is Dronagiri in India? So it is in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, I have a picture. I must have a picture of this. Yeah, this is also not an ancient one. This has been constructed, I think 15 years ago or something, 15-20 years ago or something. So it's not that mountain. I'll look for the mountain afterwards and then send it to you. Okay. I saw Riddhi ji. Riddhi, would you like to read? Okay, here you go. बाल महाबाल मुनि दोय नाग कुमार मिले त्रय होय। Riddhi, please unmute yourself. Okay, I'll do it. Maybe I'll have to go for it. Where is it? Okay, yeah. Very good, very good. Okay, Aaron. श्री अष्टापद मुकति मंझार ते वंदो नित सुरत संहार। Oh, okay, just a second, everybody.
Can you say it again, because I couldn't I was on mute, so I was writing it to you, so
I'll read it again. Now you can unmute yourself. Shri Ashtapad Mukati Manjhar te vando nit surat samhar।
Shri Ashtapad Mukti Manjara te vanda nit surat samhar।
Very good, very, very good. Okay. Okay. So, te vando nit surat samhar. So, I always bow to Bal, Mahabal, Muni, Doe. Doe means two. So, who are those two monks? Bal and Mahabal. Nag Kumar mile tray hoy. So, adding one Nag Kumar makes it three. Shri Ashtapad Mukati Majhar. They have all received salvation from Ashtapad. Does any one of you remember who other than them has received salvation from Ashtapad? Only raise your hands. Who other than these three have received salvation
Adinath.
from? Oh, do not say it. I said only raise your hands. But whosoever said it, thank you. Who said it? Was it Adi or? Oh yeah, Adi. Thank you, Adi. So in the beginning we had seen Ashtapad Adishwar Swami Vasupu. So Ashtapad Adishwar Swami, we had seen it there, and now this is these are three people: Bal, Mahabal, and Nag Kumar, all of them have received salvation from Ashtapad. Surat Samhar, with all my might, I admirably bow to them. Okay, moving on. Acha, yeah, this is Ashtapad. You can see it's a very beautiful picture. It is in the Himalayan range. Okay, I think this will be the last verse that we'll have today, and then we'll finish this in the next class, which will be on Monday, and we'll have a complete overview of what we have seen, and I'll add some more facts to it so that this becomes a better and interesting one for you. Okay, so now we are talking about Muktagiri. Muktagiri is a wonderful place which lies on the border of Maharashtra and MP, Madhya Pradesh. So all the management and all the dharmshalas, all of them come in the Maharashtra region. But then the mountain is exactly on the border of Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Okay. So, Jaivish, would you please unmute yourself? The first line. Achalapur ki dish ishan, taha Mendhgiri naam pradhan.
Achalapur ki dish ishan, tahan Mendhgiri naam pradhan.
Yeah, thank you. Janav. 3.5 कोटि मुनिराज तिनके चरण नमो चितलाय.
3.5 कोटि मुनिराज तिनके चरण नमो चितलाय.
Very good, very good. Okay, so Tinke Charan Namu Chitlaya. So thoughtfully, admirably, I bow to the feet of. Now they have not given a particular name, but rather they've given a number only. 3.5 Kodi Muniraj. 3.5 is 3.5. So 3.5 crore, which will be equal to 35 million monks have received salvation from there. Achalapur ki dish Ishan. So Ishan is a direction which lies between north and east. Okay, so northeastern part of Achalapur has a mountain which is called as Mendhgiri. So Mendhgiri and Muktagiri, they are besides. So it's like Mendhgiri and Muktagiri. We talk about it with the name of Muktagiri only today. So Achalapur ki dish Ishan, so northeastern direction of Achalapur, Taha Mendhgiri Naam Pradhan, there is a great name of a mountain called Mendhgiri, none other than Muktagiri. 3.5 Kodi Muniraj, 3.5 monks received salvation from there. Tinke Charana Namo Chitlai, with all my thoughts, I bowed to the feet of all of these monks. So I hope this was all clear to you. Let me just ask you, you only have to look at the verse, do not look at the description of it. We started off with verse 11. Janav, can you please just tell me how many in all monks have received salvation from there? And what is the Hindi word for it?
They have like 55 million of monks have gone.
Okay, and what is the Hindi line for it?
5.5 crore.
Oh no, not the Indian system of numbering. I'm asking you, where did you get this 5.5 crore status from the verse? What is the line in the verse which tells us that it is 55 million?
It says in brackets.
Oh, come on. Yes, Aaron, please tell me.
Koti Panch.
Yes, thank you. Koti Panch Aru Lakh Pachas. So Koti 5 is 5 crore and Lakh 50 is 50 lakhs. So which will sum up to 5.5 crore. Okay, thank you. Thank you both of you. Moving on. Adi, tell me the name of the place in this particular verse. Tell me the name of the place from where 3.5 crore monks have received salvation.
Southern of Sid Varakutta.
Very good, very good. Yes. So southern of what?
Sid Varakutta.
Siddhavarkut is the name of the place. It is on the south of what? Which place? It's not written in English. You'll have to look for it in Hindi. I mean, the verse. Acha, read the first word in the verse.
Revanadi.
Yes. So the southern part of Reva Nadi has Siddhavarkut. What is southern called in Hindi? In the verse, can you find out which word relates to south? Oh, sorry.
It.
Oh, I think I made a mistake. It's not southern. Rather, it's, western. It's not southern, it's western. I'll correct it afterwards. But the western part is called as Paschim. Paschim is written in the verse. After the comma, it's the first word. Okay, thank you. Okay, now another question. What is south called in Hindi? You'll have to look at the verse and tell me what is south called in Hindi. Don't say it, only raise your hands. Maybe you can raise your hand not in the app but rather on your hand as well. Okay, yes, Javish.
Dakshin.
Very good. So Dakshin, Dishi, Giri, Chul, Utang. Okay. Yeah. Who has received salvation from this place? Who can tell? Please raise your hand. Maybe you can do it physically and not technically. Okay. Yes, Aaron.
Ravan's brothers.
What are the names of them?
Their names are Indrajita and Kumbhakarna.
Very good. Very, very good. Okay. Next. Okay. Every day is written there. Janak, you'll have to tell me what is the Hindi, meaning to every day.
Every day.
In the verse, what is the word which translates to every day?
Chilana.
Chelna. Chelna. No, Chelna is the name of a river.
It's
It's
the Pavagiri
Vandu Nitatasa. Nit એટલે
Ah.
every day. I think Nitatasa.
Yeah, now go on, please. Yes, Jana.
Pavagiri Vara.
Pavagirivar is the name of the place. It's not every day. Come
Because
on.
I'm not used to Hindi, that's why.
I know. This is why I'm asking you difficult questions, nothing else. Okay. The word every day gets translated from nit. The second last word, nit. Okay. Okay, great. Now, can somebody tell me admirably, how is this getting translated? From where is it getting translated? Raise your hands. Admirably is translated from where? Ashi?
Is it Pavagirivar?
Oh, Come on, Pavagiri is translated Pavagiri only. It's just a noun. There's no translation involved there. Nouns are never translated. It's not like, you know, calling Ashi as wishful girl. You know, it's not that kind of a translation.
But that's where they attain marks. It's where
Okay, no. Okay, anybody else? Bijal Bain, would you please help me? But go, give it a try. Give it a go.
Okay. Sunabhadra Adi Muni Kara.
Acha, I'll give you a small hint. Mukti gaye bando nitatas. It is, you know, one of these 5.
It would be tas. Nita tas, every day. Tas.
Every day
No,
is
Vando.
nitatas. Vando, yeah,
Vando.
very good. Thank you.
Every day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
So admirably is used for Vando here. Okay, great.
Yeah.
Moving on. Okay, yes. Guru Dutt has received salvation from which place? Riddhi. Guru Dutt monk has received salvation from which place according to this particular verse?
southern mountains.
Which mountain it is? Is it? You're going right. You're going in the right direction.
Dronagiri.
Yes, Drongir is the name of the place from where Guru Dutt and other monks have received salvation. Okay. Okay. Done. Next. Okay. Yes. How many people have received salvation from Ashtapad according to Nirvan Kand? According to Nirvan Kand, how many people have received salvation from Ashtapad? You only have to tell me the number. You can raise your hands. Okay, I'll go with Adi. Adi, would you please tell me?
Pardon?
Okay. Achha, he did not listen to the. Okay. I'm asking that from Ashtapad, how many people have received salvation according to the whole Nirvan Kand?
Oh.
Somebody is prompting with the answer.
4.
Okay, thank you. Where is where is Darshi?
Can't unmute yourself for some reason.
Okay. Darshi, I think she isn't here. Okay, no problem.
Yes, she's.
Yeah. So I think this is where we, Maindgiri was the last place. Maindgiri is the other name for Muktagiri maybe. It's not the other name, but these are 2 different mountains which are called by the name of Muktagiri only. So this is where I finished my class. I hope you had a good time. Janav, I have a small homework for you. Are you there? Actually, it is a homework for everybody. And the homework is you will have to tell me the exact counting. You'll have to total the whole number of monks who have received salvation, not place wise, overall. So it's like 3.5 plus 99 crore or anything. So you'll have to add up all the verses and tell me the exact number. I hope you can do it. Okay. I'm going to share this slide with you on the group. Okay, Janav?
Which group? The one of the
Okay. Thank you very much. Yes, Aaron?
Do we have to do it up to verse 17 or like
all of them?
Okay.
All of them.
Not 1 to 23.
It's from 1 to 23. You just have to look at the PDF, which will be shared to you in a while.
Yes, to 1 to 23. Yeah.
Yeah, this will be shared to you in a while. Maybe you can add all of them and just tell me the exact number. Let's see how many of you get exact same digit.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, everybody. Jai Janen. Bye bye.
Jai Janana.
Jai Jinendra. Jai Jinendra.
Jai Janendra. Jai Janendra.
Jinendra.
Oh, that was long.
Jinendra.
Jai Janendra.